It's getting colder outside, and today I am making a traditional Italian lemon ricotta cake without sugar and without gluten. First, preheat the oven on 175 degrees. I always love to get all my ingredients ready before I start. The eggs, the flour, the lemons, the ricotta. I pour 200 milliliters of maple syrup and mix that with the butter. I have preheated the butter so it's easier to mix it. As you can see, I prefer to mix it by hand instead of an electronic mixer. But you can also do it with an electronic mixer, of course. Next step is adding the 3 eggs. And mix it again. Don't worry if the structure seems very liquid. This is normal. Then you add the ricotta. Mix it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then the flour. In this case, I used oatmeal flour, and oatmeal flour doesn't have gluten, but sometimes there can be traces of gluten because it grows next to a field where there is also wheat. So if you really want to be sure there's no trace of any gluten in your cake, then it's better to use almond flour. But I love the softness that oatmeal gives you, so I used oatmeal. I found this mix of baking powder with vanilla, which I added. Otherwise, you have to get vanilla separately, but in this case, it was already mixed. Then you add the lemon zest and some lemon juice. Pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt. And then you butter the cake form, really well. You can also use a baking sheet or baking paper, but I like the creaminess of butter. Spread it out really well so you get an even texture. And then bake it for 40 to 45 minutes in the oven on 175 degrees. And voila, there's your cake. This time I added a little bit of Philadelphia cheese with honey on top, but you can also use mascarpone, which gives it a really nice touch. Bon appetit!
Beautiful texture. Mmm.
Yeah?
Número 1.
Why are you begging? Thank you so much for watching. For more videos about beautiful Italy, go to my channel to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Alla prossima!